What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And the Petty Roosevelt is finally back. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And after a long hold, a little over a month and a half, almost 2 months, the Petty Roosevelt is done. It is completed. It is fixed, according to CarMax. So we're going to go by and pick it up and see if we'll see all of the different items that are done, and we're going to go over just how expensive it was to fix everything. Alright, guys, there's CarMax. We're going to pick up the Petty Roosevelt, and what I'll have to do is see if I can get a friend to help me come back, or I'll have to Uber back and pick up the Corolla. But let's see if she's outside. I can't wait to see the car. Been almost 2 full months I have not seen the Petty Roosevelt, and I am ecstatic and excited to see it. I don't know if it's out here. I'm looking. I don't see it. I do not see it. It must still be in the shop, so they're gonna have to actually physically go in and get it, which is cool, which is fine. I just thought it might be outside already, and I am not seeing it. So we will pull up here to the service department and go see what the situation is with the Petty Roosevelt. We have a stack of papers. Now, the Petty Roosevelt is supposedly over here around the corner, and I'm gonna look for it. I don't see it. We're looking for it though. They said it's over here, and then we drove in and I sure didn't see it. Watch it be my luck somebody stole my damn car. That would be a story for you. But I am not seeing the Petty Roosevelt. Now, unless it's over here parked. Oh, there she is. Haha, they parked her over here in the cut. Oh my God, I'm so happy to see. You know how you, oh my God, I'm so happy to see this fucking car. You can probably hear it in my voice. Oh my God. Oh, they cleaned it up and everything. Look how beautiful it is, man. Oh my God. Oh my God, man. Whew. Jesus. God, I missed you. Oh my God. Oh, look, they put valve caps on me. Oh man. Oh man, they looked out, man. Okay. I don't see any damage. Let me just make sure there's no like dings or any crazy. Okay, she looks good. All right. Let's see what she sounds like, man. It's been a minute. Unlock. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. That would have lit up the lights, the halos, right? Oh no, they might be off. Okay, hopefully that's fixed. We're gonna see. Let's see how she sounds first. God, I missed this car. All right, let me get in. Oh shit! Oh, look, they even put gas in it. They even put gas in it. All right, hold on. My seat go back. Yep. I gotta clean her out in the interior. Oh, look, they fixed the light. The dash. I got a brand new screen. What? Okay, hold on, let's go. Oh. Gotta love that, man. Let's see what the AC doing. Okay, AC is on point. Wow, that's a brand new screen. Brand new screen, man. Wow, that's got some good touch sensitivity too. So they replaced my, oh, this is all brand new. Oh, this is dope. So this was so this is, I guess, all one piece. So they replaced the radio and the air conditioning thing, because these are all new. There was wear points on here. So this is all, they replaced this whole joint. This is all brand new. And then the lights and stuff up here are all fixed and working. I am so happy. I am ecstatic. All right. Let's see how that new engine sounds, though. All right, let's get over there and... Oh, man. Now, one of the issues was the daytime running lights, right? Let's take a look at that and see how she looks. Well, this one was replaced, but she still looks kind of yellow. We'll have to get with our dude Impact when we get down to Florida, full bolt-on Impact, and see if we can address that. Because you see it's bright on that side and not so much over here, so we'll have to address that. That's okay. But I know they replaced the module. It's on the receipt, so that's a win. All right guys, let me set you guys up right here. Can they see me? Cool. All right, let's talk a little bit about the repairs, right? So it was sublet out to BMW. Mechanical LED light on dash is going out, and the radio glitches. Replacement radio and dash light. The fiber optic light for the dash, $346. The radio, $1,463.20. Right there, right? Here we go. Sublet mechanical alignment. They had to do an alignment because they replaced wheel hubs on the front of the car. Total cost for the alignment, $149. Ride handling operation for diagnosis, $161. R&R wheel bearing. Wheel bearing. So the front, what is it side? Front on one side, $346.40. And then the wheel hub, the part itself with assembly, $417.35. Damn. All right, let's keep going. Charging the air, they basically sucked all my air conditioning stuff out, replaced the evaporator in my air conditioning system, recharged, did all that. Total cost $1,136.29. Boom. Trim and body. So that was BMW, a diagnosis. I didn't pay that, but they charged CarMax $99 for that. Valve cover gasket. Now this is before the engine was replaced. $939.40. Replace broken breather hose, whatever that is. They didn't charge for that because they broke it when they were taking it apart. Now the labor was $939 for the valve cover gasket. The part for them to do everything, the breather thing and the gasket itself, $577.76. I'm not done. I have 14 more pages. Check engine light. There was a check engine light, I guess. Nice. $85 for them to diagnose that. Lamp inoperable, $24.40. Headlight Tour Place LED module, $295.20. Now that is the DRL module. Labor, $390.81 on that. So almost $600 alone. Now they put my headlight module back in. They did take it out and replace it. It didn't need to be replaced, but they put the old one back in. Thank you. Coolant hose from expansion tank to thermostat, oil filter housing. That was replaced. Powertrain leaks were replaced. Coolant line from reservoir. Why is this not surprising me that something else is leaking when they just replaced another damn line? All right, now all of that together, parts were $309.80. Labor was $122.95, so not bad on that one. And then we get to the big boy shit. For that, we go to BMW. Jesus Christ. Alrighty. Oh, so the radio, the head unit was one thing, and then BMW charged $393.64 for radio control button assembly. That's extra. What was this? Okay, now here's the, so they didn't do the engine here. They did it at BMW. The engine, the labor to pull the engine, actually not that bad. $2,369.10. That's just to pull it. The installation, $3,411. The engine, the replacement engine. Hold on, I gotta break this up. So the engine, not as expensive as I expected, because I put a split here because I want YouTube to drop an ad, right? I know, I'm a scumbag. I want them to drop an ad right before I get to the most expensive part. The engine, the cost, because it was dealer cost, it says BMW / Toyota Supra MK5 B58 engine, $4,995.00. That's actually not that bad, right? Not that bad. Wow. So, wow. So, overall, oh wait, we got more. Oh, we got more. We got more. All right. Customer can, all right, whatever. Philister head screw. Not illuminating. So $593.29 because they replaced this LED in the door too. Okay. Damn. Sweet. All this paperwork. Wheel bearings, PCV valve, dump smoke from exhaust. So this is stuff that BMW found. LED module under headlight is out. Coolant system has been topped off 3 times. Damn, in the time they had it, they had to top it off 3 times. Wow. Well, so we'll have to go over and get you a complete total, but we'll go over the whole thing and I'll add it all up. But anybody want to guess? Just like do some guessing and put it in the comments below and let me know what you guys think. I'll go over it and we'll give you guys a full updated number. But you got to think $5,000 for the engine, $2,000 to pull the old engine, another whatever couple grand to put it in. That's what, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's $9 grand right there just on the engine. Then all the stuff they did before they effed the engine up, that was thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm guessing when I add all this up that we're going to be, because it's separate invoices, there's not a total. So I'm guessing when I add all this up, we're probably looking at a good $16,000. I'm going to guess. I'll let you guys do the math and let me know if I'm right. I'm just ballpark spitballing here, but we're happy we got her back, baby. We got her back. Now it's time. I gotta clean this car up, man. I just got paper and shit everywhere. I gotta clean her up and get it right and get ready to take this trip, because now we gotta break this brand new engine in. Brand new engine at 91,345 miles. Brand new engine, baby. Brand new engine. I'm gonna